What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, and turn motivation into memes. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake social media accounts out there on Telegram, YouTube, Instagram, Cash Apps, all that. So make sure, please, before you send your money to anybody, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're getting legit business and you're getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So today, I'm going to show you how to get the bag. I'm going to show you how to get quick $10,000 with no documents needed. Just signature. Yes, just signature. And we're going to be talking about DCU Credit Union, all right? So a lot of people want to get money. A lot of people want to get quick money. Cool. It's a lot of ways you can do that. You just got to follow the steps. You got to know the finesse. You got to know the loopholes that these banks and these lenders have, so you can go through those loopholes and get what you need. All right. So it's a lot of people want to get these loans and credit cards, but if you want to get at least $10,000, they be giving out at least $10,000. I don't know no other limit that they haven't given out lower than $10,000. So I'm going to show you how to get approved for this $10,000, at least $10,000, how to get credit cards and loans real easy with this credit union. All right, so the first thing you want to do. Now, I know everybody out there want to just skip all the steps. Everybody don't want to hear nothing. They just want to get the money. And then when y'all do go apply, y'all don't get approved. And then y'all complain. Oh, I got this and I got that. It's a lot of people that don't understand the factors of credit. Credit is important, bad or good. If you have bad credit, there's loopholes around that to get funded for $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000. You just gotta follow the steps that I give you. You can't say, I'm just gonna fill out the loan. No, it don't work like that, bad credit or not. So what you need to do is you need to start paying attention to your credit. You need to know where you stand at on your credit report. A lot of people go on creditkarma.com and they get those free credit reports and they go, oh, I got a 750, oh, I got a 700, oh, I got a 688. No, those Vantage 3.0 scores are not accurate at all. Get you an Experian account. Pay $25 a month and you will know your 3 FICOs, your Experian, TransUnion, Equifax. You'll know the debt on your credit report, the collections, the inquiries, late payments, everything. You'll know all that. You had the ability to lock your credit, freeze your credit, and do what you need to do. So once you start paying this $25 a month on Experian, if you have bad credit, there's only 2 ways you can have bad credit. One, you just don't have credit at all, so you never built it. You're 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 2, you got debt on your credit from student loans, just living life, being an adult, getting certain things and needing certain things, and life happening, right? So if you're somebody that doesn't have any type of credit, nothing on your credit report, you're not going to automatically have good credit. You're going to have automatically bad credit. So you can easily just add trade lines to your credit report to boost your credit. And I've been told you about the Credit Strong. We get $42,500. And then for your credit cards, you can go to Trade Line Supply and get the credit cards that you need right there. High limit credit cards that will report to your credit report. If you're somebody out there that has negative inquiries, negative collections on your credit report, you need to clean that up. And how do you do that? Well, you're going to say, okay, let me see my collections. Let me see all what's going on. Okay, I got all this going on. Okay, let me see the age on these. Any collections that is 7 years or older is classified as expired. So when you start disputing your accounts that's on your collections, those are going to be the first ones that you see falling off. So you're going to freeze all 3 of your credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Once you freeze them, you're going to dispute all your accounts. It takes up to 15 days to start seeing results. Once you start seeing the drop-offs, You might got to do a second round of cleaning, disputing, or you might get enough to fail off that you can start adding trade lines. You never want to add trade lines on top of major debt, bad debt, at all, because it's good debt and it's bad debt. Trade lines is debt, but it's debt that you're paying on time. Bad debt is delinquent accounts and accounts that you're not paying on time. You don't want to just add good accounts on that. You want to clean those up, then add the good accounts. So once you add those, you cleaned up your account, then you want to add those same accounts from Trade Line Supply and CreditStrong.com. Once you add those, you're going to let it marinate for 32 days. Once you let it age for 32 days, then you're going to go open up a bank account with DCU Credit Union. And once you open up a bank account with DCU Credit Union, you're going to open up a personal checking and savings account. You're going to build a relationship, start depositing money into that bank account, start building perks, and then you go apply for these credit cards and loans. All right, so without further ado, let's check out DCU and how you can get at least $10,000 or more with no income. Let's check them out. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about DCU, Digital Federal Credit Union, all right? How you can get this money, how you can get approved. They got different things that's going on. So you go to borrow up here, right? They got the vehicle loans, they got credit card, mortgages, student loans, they got personal loans, they got commercial lending. So they got the auto loans, auto refinance loans, antique auto loans, motorcycle loans, recreational vehicle loans, boat loans, mobility loans. They got the Visa Platinum, they got the Visa Platinum Rewards, they got the Visa Platinum Secured, they got the student loans, they got the student refinance loans, they got the home mortgage loans, the refinance your mortgage loan. They got all that, right? So, so the DCU Visa Platinum Rewards card, all right? This credit card has a great rate and even better rewards. No annual balance transfer, foreign transactions, or cash advance fees, fraud notifications, and ability to freeze, unfreeze your credit card. Features and benefits: interest rates below the national average, 16.00 APR. Earn points when you shop. Get 1 point for every dollar spent, which you can easily track in digital banking. Then redeem them for traveling, gift cards, and more than 1,500 merchandise items, including top brands. Monthly FICO score. You will have free access to your credit score based on Equifax data each month. Plus, you'll receive 2 reasons why your score is what it is. So, identity theft protection within Norton LifeLock. Get ID Navigator to stay informed against identity theft, plus dark web monitoring, stolen wallet access, and data breach notifications. Visa extended warranty with warranty managed service. This feature allows you to extend the warranties of eligible items purchased with your Visa debit card. Script same-day delivery from local grocery stores or Script Visa credit card holders get a free membership, which includes free same-day delivery on orders $35 plus. Offer terms apply. All right, so these are just some other things. So no annual fees, no annual transfer fees, no balance transfer fees, no cash advance fees, no foreign transaction fees. You can get up to you can definitely get $10,000 on this credit card right here. Then they got the Platinum card, basically the same thing. Interest rates below the national average, 13.25 APR, mobile wallet, FICO score, Visa Script, Norton LifeLock, same things, right? This is for your credit card. So Visa Platinum Rewards, this credit card has a great rate for even greater rewards. Rates as low as 16.00 APR. Earn rewards everyday purchase. Redeem points for traveling, gift cards, and much more. So doom. Then they got the borrow. Go to the person. They got personal loans. So they got the personal loans. Make no payments for 60 days. They got terms at the 60 months, keeping your payments affordable on larger loan amounts. Competitive fixed rates. Your rate and payment remain the same for a life of your loan. The plus, the relationship with plus or relationship checking benefits. See, relationship checking benefits, and make payments electronically. So up to 60 months, APR 9.74. I think this one like $30,000. And it just breaks it down right there. Real sweet to get They got the credit builder loans. I think this is up to only $3,000. Fixed terms, 12 to 24 months, 5% annual percentage rate. Funds in your DCU savings account earn dividends at the published dividend rate. As you repay on time, we report this information to the credit bureaus. So this can get your credit right. So make sure y'all tapping in with DCU Credit Union, all right? Go follow those steps in the beginning of the video. Once you follow those steps, then go open up an account with DCU Credit Union. But then for like a month, 32 days, establish your relationship, start depositing money in there, start building a relationship. Then you want to apply for these type of loans and these credit cards for at least $10,000, all right? So make sure y'all follow those steps. Make sure y'all go apply to DCU. Without further ado, let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. DCU Federal Credit Union, all right? They're giving out at least $10,000. As long as you follow those steps, it's a finesse. You got to get your credit together a little bit so they can see like you got something going on. Don't just try to open up an account and then apply for a loan. You ain't got nothing going on in your credit. They want to see you making payments. They want to see your credit cards. They want to see certain things like that because they want to see, are you liable for this loan or credit card that you're applying for? What other credit cards or loans do you have that you're paying back on time? And once they see it, they're gonna be like, all right, you got a $20,000-$30,000 credit card, you got $42,000 in loan or whatever installments on your credit, you paying them back on time. Cool. So maybe we can give you this $20,000, maybe we can give you this $25,000. Boom, that's how it works. So you got to make it look good. You got to build that, make sure that paper trail look good. And I guarantee you follow them steps in the beginning of the video, you follow all the steps that I give you, you'll get approved, all right? So don't just be so thirsty to get some money. Knowledge is power, and applied knowledge is more power, because you apply that knowledge that you got, I guarantee you get far. A lot of people will be trying to do things because they see other people doing it, then they get the information for it, they have no clue how to do it, and then they get mad and try to play the victim, think somebody scammed them. No. You got to learn. Learning is the #1 key in life to being able to do something. If you're not willing to learn, it's never going to be your turn. That's my new motto. If you're not willing to learn, it will never be your turn, because you got to learn how to do something. You're not going to wake up and just get something like, oh, I'm going to be Kobe. I'm going to be Jordan. I'm going to be the next best. I'm going to wake up and be the best basketball, football, baseball. No. You got to go. You got to learn. So if you're not willing to learn, it'll never be your turn. Point blank, period. So make sure y'all taking that advice. Make sure y'all letting that instill in your head. And I guarantee you, once you start learning, it'll be your turn. All right? Shout out to all my real King Hussle fans, supporters, subscribers, old and new. Because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me to keep going. Y'all motivate me to keep dropping the sauce. And y'all motivate me to keep y'all entertained. So shout out to y'all. Anybody out there looking to get credit lessons, right now, it's 50% off. Red tag prices. Credit lessons is $300, Cash App or Bitcoin payment, all right? So if you're trying to learn this credit game, you want to learn how to get your credit together, clean it, build it, get loans, credit cards, lines of credit, it's going to be $300 for a limited time only, all right? So make sure you don't miss out on that. Also, anybody out there looking to get basic lessons, FaceTime 101s is going to be $500. Anything that you want to learn, one topic, I'm going to teach you that. We're going to start making you some money, all right? So make sure you're tapping in on that. Also, if you want to learn how to make thousands of dollars a day off social media, $250, yes, $250. I'll teach you how to start making fast thousands of dollars a day off social media, all right? $250, Cash App or Bitcoin payment. Let's get to work. Also, anybody looking to get their limited gems, FaceTime 101s is $1,200. I'm going to teach you about credit. I'm going to teach you about, I'm going to give you documents. I'm going to teach you how to passive income, how to make $1,000 a day on social media, CPNs, everything that you need to know, all right? So make sure y'all tapping in with the limited gems. Also, make sure y'all getting y'all mentorships, $2,500. It's all the limited gems. I'm going to teach you about the DW, and we're going to make some YouTube automation channels together, which means we're going to make some money together, all right? So if the channel start making $10,000, you get 5, I get 5, easy as that. As long as we put in the same working grind to build the channel, we'll be A-okay, all right? Also, make sure y'all booking y'all seat on the crypto tour, in-person unlimited gems, $3,500 in-state, $4,500 out-of-state, all right? So if I got to come out-of-state to you, it's going to be $4,500. You come in-state to me, it's going to be $3,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money we meet in person, all right? So make sure y'all tap it in. Also, I'm still looking for people for the production company, actors, rappers, models, singers, producers, cameraman, you name it. Building the team. Any rappers or singers out there looking to get their chain, get their watch, and start making money with their music, tap in. Music reviews is $200. You don't got $200 to invest in yourself. Why should I invest $200,000 plus into you and your career? Make it make sense. Any beautiful ladies out there that's ready to elevate, ready to grow, ready to build their brand and platform, tap in. You don't got a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. I don't deal with attitudes. I need focused women out there that's willing to learn. I'm not saying I know everything. I listen too, but if I'm trying to put you in the right position that you haven't put yourself in yet, or no one has yet, sometimes you just gotta sit back and listen. And if you got something to say, I'll listen too. You know what I'm saying? So teamwork make the dream work. Let's make it happen. Any videographers out there, good camera, 4K or better, good effects, good editing, tap in. Let's work. Content equals views, views equals money. Easy as that. Looking for a team of great people to work with so we can build and grow and get these millions and keep it going, all right? Also, tap into my Telegram right now. Tap in with that Cash App Glitchy. If you ain't tapped in yet, you missing out. People is running up these bands, and if you ain't run up yours yet, you tripping. $250 Cash App Glitchy, card crack method, and one free fully. $250 Cash App a Bitcoin payment. If you're looking to tap in, you write me on my Telegram. Make sure when you write me, you send me a screenshot of your Bitcoin or Cash App balance with the $250 on it. If you do not send me that screenshot when you write me, I will not respond. Easy as that. So y'all gotta make sure y'all start following instructions. The link is in my bio, all my videos, and my community posts. All right, so you can't not find my real Telegram. Make sure you send them screenshots. Make sure you DM me. I can do magic, and you'll be good to go. All right. So without further ado, y'all know how to get down to any of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace.